Welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, coming to you every day at 4 o'clock Central Standard Time for the 2025 Christmas Spectacular, which means videos every day until the finale on Christmas Day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to click the bell notification so you're notified anytime I go live. All right, with all that stuff out of the way that YouTube forces me to say, let's make something that makes a great little dish for a family get-together, or something you can bring in to the office easily for that potluck dinner, or even give to people as a little Christmas gift. And that is the XMAS Trail Mix. All right. First thing we got to do is start with 2 cups of roasted salted peanuts, followed by 1 cup of yellow raisins, followed by 1 cup of dark chocolate chips. I would also like to point out this is a perfect recipe if you have small children, that you can easily get them involved, because there is literally no cooking. You just might help them mix it up a little bit. They might need a little help there, or measuring things properly. But outside of that, it's a perfect dish for them. Followed by 1 cup of roasted salted almonds, or salted almonds, however they're labeled in your area. Then you want to add 1 cup of cashews. And then we want 1 cup of diced cranberries. By the way, trail mix is another one that if you can do it yourself, the ingredients are going to be way cheaper just to buy and combine. I mean, I've got, 8 cups of trail mix? How much would that have cost you if you bought the pre-made trail mix? Oh, and then 1 cup of Christmas M&Ms. Maybe a cup and a half. And if you want to make this any other time of the year than just regular M&Ms, obviously. And then just want to grab a spoon and stir this up. Or you can toss it too, but I was kind of feeling this bowl was getting a little full to start tossing things around in. All right. And I'll show you 2 ways to serve this. Then, if you're serving this at your home or for a great big party, get a great big bowl and just dump it in there. But if you want to pass this out among various co-workers, neighbors, give it away as a Secret Santa, then I recommend storing it in these deli containers. And actually, after your party is over, if you have any left in your great big bowl, you want to put that in a lidded container as well. And then just pop the top on. Like I said, good to go. Stores for a while. And then just make sure you clearly label it on top, as I'm about ready to do. Like I said, great little thing for offices, give to neighbors, friends, relatives. And, yeah. That's it. Christmas Trail Mix. Done.